Hello, boys and girls. Today we are in session 3, topic 7, natural science, matter, materials and mixture. And it's time to read A Trip to a Recycling Plant, the comic of this topic, page 98 and 99 in your science book. So if you open your science book, natural book on topic 7, on page 98 and 99, as you see, you can read the comic with the different characters. Carla and Alex are visiting a recycling plant, and they are talking with a worker and the narrator. Once you read and understand all the vocabulary in the comic, it's good that you have a look in the different exercises that you can do orally. So you can read exercise number 2, and complete the sentences with the different materials that you see in the photo. For example, in the materials, you can find different materials: glass bottle, plastic bottle, kitchen sponge, wooden pallet, recycling plant. So all these vocabulary complete the sentences from 1 to 5. After looking to this page, it's time to have a look on the project. That here you can find the project. In this project you can find different materials with different characteristics. For example, the plastic bottle is flexible, is smooth, and is waterproof. Or for example, this jar made of glass is waterproof, rigid, smooth, and fragile. Or this wooden pallet is rough, rigid, and resistant. And here you can find more vocabulary that explain or defines how are the different materials: waterproof, rigid, resistant, absorbent, flexible, smooth, and rough. Okay, once we know the characteristic of the materials, here you have some little questions that maybe you can read and do orally. And after that, if you come back to the instructions, here they tell you that it's time to open your natural book, your activity book, and you can look for the review. You know that the review is a photocopy that you can find behind the vocabulary, the glossary. And you are going to complete the exercises 1, 2, and 3. You don't have to do number 4 because it's an oral activity, just 1, 2, and 3. If you open your review, the review looks like this. Here you have the review. Natural science topic 7, matter, materials, and mixtures. Here you have to complete the diagram. So you have some missing vocabulary about the topic. After exercise number 1, here you have to complete the number 2 with the missing words. You are missing some words here. And in the number 3, you are going to describe in 3 sentences what you see in the photo. For example, in the first one, you can see a wood that is on fire. So there is a chemical change in the matter. So this matter is going to change. Here you have, for example, a sponge. So this is a type of material that is flexible, absorbent, and you can change the shape. If you press, you change the shape, so it's a physical change. And the same with the mixture of coffee and sugar. Okay, it's a type of mixture that you can separate for example, by evaporating. Okay, so you have to write a sentence explaining what you see in the photo. And once you finish exercise 1, 2, and 3, if you come back to the instructions, here we finish the session number 3 with the reading of the comic, A Trip to the Recycling Plant, and the exercises in the review 1, 2, and 3. Bye-bye.